Hi there, today we're going to talk a little bit about how to find articles from specific journals as they are related to your class. First, we start off on the Blue Ridge Library webpage. To get there, you can go to the Blue Ridge homepage. From there, you click Services and Support, Library and Open Lab, or you can enter blueridge.edu/library. That will get you to the same place. From here, scroll down until you get to the LibGuides square rectangle thing. Click that. We will go to the LibGuide for your class, and that's a great place where the links will be for the journals that you're looking to access. So from here, the LibGuides are listed in alphabetical order. We're looking for American Sign Language. As you see, here it is. And conveniently, these are the journals that you will be asked to access most frequently. And they're all right here in this box for you. We will look at each one, a couple different examples to show you the different features. So the first is the Journal of Interpretation. Click on that. You'll notice you can browse the current issue, or you can search the back issues. We're going to search Educational Interpreting as our keywords today. From that, you can see that there are a list of articles that have those words in it. You'll notice on the side you can narrow by publication year. From the list, you may scroll down and choose an article that works for you for your project. Pay attention to the publication date as it might be relevant to the information that you want. I'm going to click on this article right here to show you how to get the URL to get back to where you need to go and how to download it. So to download the article, which I highly recommend if you have a device that you're working from, just click this button. It's super easy. It will prompt you. It will give you a PDF to download. You just click the little doohickey up here. If you want to print, you can also do that here. Additionally, you can copy the URL up here in the URL box. You simply highlight it and click copy, right click and click copy, or you can do Control-C to copy that. When you're done, to keep track of things, I recommend keeping an email open, keeping a Google Doc open, and putting those URLs in a document so that you can keep track of all the things. There's nothing worse than doing a search, finding some really great articles, and then not being able to get back to them. So I highly recommend that. Next, we're going to look at a different journal, American Annals of the Deaf. When you click on this, you'll notice that it looks a little bit different. This journal is within a database that we subscribe to through the community college, so it will require a couple of extra steps to get the URL and some other information, some downloads. So you'll notice that this box here says this is where you can search within this very specific journal. You can also try by clicking the advanced search to give you kind of more boxes to fill in. You'll notice this pub ID that tells the computer where to search. I highly recommend leaving that in. By highly recommend, I mean it's required that you leave that in to make sure that you are searching this particular journal. So I would skip down to the next box to put your keywords in. Again, I'm going to choose Educational Interpreting because that is a term that I hope will bring up stuff to us. For us, I would recommend clicking full text. Don't worry about peer reviewed unless your instructor indicates that that's necessary. So let's click search. So you'll notice all of these in the list are from the American Annals of the Deaf. So you're just searching that one journal article, or that one journal. So once you again have found an article that you decide that you want to read, click on it, and this is where there will be a slightly different step to getting the URL to keep track of things. You can again download the PDF by clicking this button. It will prompt you to save it on your device. Additionally, instead of copying and pasting the information in this URL box, don't do that this time. This time it's necessary for you to click this copy URL button. This is what's called a permalink. If you copy this in the URL box here, it will not get you back to the article that you want to see. It will take you to some random page that asks you to log in, and you'll get really frustrated. So please always make sure that you click this copy URL right here, and it will copy it to the clipboard. And again, I recommend having a document or an email, a Google Doc or an email open, so that you can paste those links right in and keep track of all these really great articles that you're finding. All right, go back to this main journal page. Bilingualism, you'll notice, looks the same because it's in the same brand of database. So you would do the same thing where you could click the advanced search, you could search in the basic search. Make sure that you click the copy URL button if you want to get right back to the same article, to get the permalink. Journal of Speech, again, looks the same. It's in the same brand of database. Super easy. You would search it and copy the permalink in the same way. Sign Language Studies is also the same. So for the purposes of your projects, you now have the information to get the permalink and download articles for the specific journals that your instructor may be asking you to find.